Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our fourth alternate card using elements from the May 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So going to do a super simple Z-fold card. So what I did is I took the card base and I folded it the wrong way out, and then I just folded this back. And this is 2 1/4. I folded it back, and if you need the measurement, yeah, it's just... It's 2 1/8 as opposed to 2 1/4, but fairly close. Okay, so then I took an envelope and I cut the envelope up so that I could put my pieces in here. So I'm just going to add this to the middle of the inside, just so there's somewhere to write your message. So we're just going to line this up, and I specifically want the darker piece out because it's going to create the mat for the card front. So I'm just going to put this in like this, and I have trimmed this down to 4 1/4 by 3, so 4 1/4 by 3, and then this will fold over. Again, that's room for your greeting inside. I'm going to use the Blackberry Bliss to do the greeting. I'm using the stamp from the set, wishing you happiness. So, but I'm just going to I'm going to stack the greeting instead of putting it as the whole line. So I'm just inking up the wishing you right now. And I'm just going to make sure I've got really good ink coverage on that. And I'm going to pop this down like this. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to clean that stamp off. And then I'm just going to stamp it off on a blank piece of paper just to make sure that I do indeed have all of the ink off of it, because I don't want to have any residual ink come out when I'm stamping the other piece. So just going to ink up the happiness, and you'll notice that I'm putting it in the Versamark first, and that's just going to help stop some of the staining on the stamp, because Blackberry Bliss is an amazingly juicy color. So just going to pop that down. So wishing you happiness, and that is how you stack a greeting that's in one line. If it's like this and there's really good divisions, it's super easy to do it. You just ink up only a part of the stamp. If it's a little bit tighter, you can use washi tape to block off the words that you don't want. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to pop the Versamark away. I'm going to take this piece here, and I am going to just figure out how I want to pop this down, because it will be cut off. So I think I'm going to leave it like that, which means I'm just going to put some adhesive kind of across here like this, and this will sit down like this. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to trim this off, but I'm just going to pop it down here first. I kind of like these pieces sticking over. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to trim this across like this, and then I'm going to trim it up like this. So I haven't trimmed it level with the page or with the inside piece, because I kind of like the way it looks like that. So I am going to make sure when I adhere this down, and I'm only putting adhesive on half the front because I don't want to adhere the whole thing down. I'm going to line this up so that it's equal top, bottom, and sides, just as if I was putting a mat down. And we're going to do that. Okay. And then I have 2 of these little guys left. So I am going to put one at the top like this to kind of reduce a little bit of the squareness at the top. And I'm going to pop one down here. I think I might just put it down here just to stretch that down a little bit. And I am going to grab my natural matte dots, and I am going to take some of the Night of Navy ones, and I'm just going to pop them down. It's kind of adding a little bit of interest. It's kind of keeping that whole kind of firework vibe going. So I'm just going to pop some down. And yep, and going a little bit crazy with the bling, but that's okay. You can do whichever bling you like and put as many as you want on. There, I just wanted to fill in that yellow space at the bottom. So that is our fourth alternate card using the May 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And again, these two pieces are cut from envelopes, and the inside piece is 4 1/4 by 3. The outside piece is 4 by 2 3/4, so that we can mat that out. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.